Andrej-Karpathy, co-founder of OpenAI, former head of AI at Tesla, the man who coined vibe coding, switched to 80% AI agent coding, and he discovered something that every developer using Claude Code already knows. LLMs don't think before they act. They overcomplicate everything. They touch code they shouldn't. One developer turned Karpathy's frustrations into a single file that fixes all of it. This is andrej-karpathy-skills.claude.md file that encodes Andrej-Karpathy's AI coding principles into 4 rules your coding assistant follows on every session: 8,800 stars, 612 forks, 2,100 weekly installs. It's not an app. It's not a tool. It's a markdown file. Drop it into your project, and Claude Code reads it automatically. No configuration, no dependencies. Just better AI behavior from the first prompt. Let's talk traction. 8,800 stars in 2 months, 612 forks, 2,100 installs per week across Claude Code, Cursor, Copilot, Codex, and Gemini CLI. All security audits passed, and the entire project is 21 commits because there's nothing to maintain. It was essentially done on day 1, a markdown file that went viral because it works. And this is the insight that changes everything. 4 principles. Principle 1, think before coding. State your assumptions. If multiple interpretations exist, present them. Don't pick silently. Push back when a simpler approach exists. Principle 2, simplicity first. No features beyond what was asked. No abstractions for single-use code. If 200 lines could be 50, rewrite it. Principle 3, surgical changes. Don't improve adjacent code. Don't refactor what isn't broken. Every changed line must trace back to what the user asked for. Principle 4, goal-driven execution. Stop giving imperative commands. Give success criteria, and let the AI loop until it meets them. But here's why 8,800 developers installed this. Without the file, you say add input validation, and Claude writes 200 lines with custom error classes, a validation framework, and retry logic. With the file, Claude asks what inputs need validation, writes 30 lines of focus checks, and adds tests to prove they work. Without the file, you fix a bug, and Claude refactors 3 adjacent functions. With the file, Claude changes the one line that's broken and nothing else. The difference is night and day. Think about what this means for how you use AI. Karpathy's key observation is that LLMs are exceptionally good at looping until they meet specific goals, but terrible at judgment calls. So the fix is simple. Stop telling AI what to do. Start telling it what success looks like. Don't say add validation. Say write tests for invalid inputs, then make them pass. The AI goes from blindly executing to working toward a verifiable outcome. That one shift, commands to goals, is worth more than any tool or plugin. The repo was created by Jiayuan Zhang, founder of Multica, previously founder of Deviv AI, which hit $330,000 in revenue with a 3-person team, and a former engineer at TikTok. He formalized Karpathy's public observations into an actionable file that any developer can drop into their project. The project is MIT licensed, works as a Claude Code plugin or a standalone file, and passes every security audit on the marketplace manually. 1 file, 4 principles. Better AI coding from the first prompt. Install the plugin or just curl the CLAUDE.md into your project. Your coding assistant just learned how to think before it acts. Subscribe to Awesome FOSS. We find the best open source tools so you don't have to.